Hey everyone! Welcome back to Speak English with Class, your cozy place for slow, real English listening practice. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. It's really good to have you here with us today. If you're tired after work or school and just want to unwind while learning English, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is very close to my heart because honestly, I used to waste so many evenings. I'd come home after a long day, and instead of relaxing properly, I'd just scroll on my phone, snack on random food, maybe watch 3 episodes of a show I didn't even care about.
Same here. I used to sit there thinking, tomorrow I'll be better. But then tomorrow came, and I'd do it again. And I'd wonder, why am I so tired and behind on my goals?
So today, we're sharing 7 things that really helped us change that. Small things that made our evenings feel calm, focused, and actually restful. And of course, as always, we'll speak slowly so you can listen, shadow, and practice your English naturally.
All right, let's jump in. Number 1, and this one might surprise you. I stopped checking my phone right after I got home.
Oh yes, that was huge for me too. I used to walk in the door, throw my bag down, open my phone, and 30 minutes just disappeared.
And half the time, I wasn't even reading anything useful. Just scrolling, watching short videos, checking messages that could wait.
Right, and the problem is, once you open that door, your brain gets a little hit of dopamine. You feel a tiny pleasure, so you keep chasing that feeling.
Exactly. It's like a trap. So now, I have a new rule. When I get home, my phone stays in my bag for at least 30 minutes. I change clothes, maybe drink some water, do something real first.
Same here. I put my phone on the charger, away from my eyes. I tell myself, I'll check it after dinner. And honestly, I don't even miss it anymore.
So, if you want to take control of your evenings, try this. When you walk in the door, don't touch your phone right away. Take that first half hour for you, not the internet.
Okay, let's move to number 2. And this one, it sounds simple, but it changed everything for me. I started doing a quick reset for my space.
Ah, yes. I love this one too. Explain what you mean by reset.
So, you know how sometimes your living room or kitchen gets messy during the day? Dishes in the sink, clothes on the chair, little things everywhere. When you see that mess in the evening, your brain stays busy. It can't relax.
Totally true. Clutter is like mental noise.
So now, every evening when I get home, I take 10 minutes, just 10, to reset my space. I put the dishes away, tidy up the sofa, light a candle, and boom, suddenly my home feels peaceful.
It's amazing how small things make you feel calm. When your space is clear, your mind feels clear too.
So, for everyone listening, try a tiny reset tonight. Put away 2 things. Wipe down your desk, fold that blanket. Little by little, it adds up.
All right, number 3. This one is about food, and it helped me a lot. I planned simple, healthy dinners in advance.
Oh, that's a big one. How many of you listening have come home, opened the fridge, and just grabbed random snacks because you were too tired to cook?
Haha, me every night before. So I'd eat bread, cookies, leftover chips, anything easy, and then I'd feel heavy, tired, and regret it later.
Yep. So what changed for you?
Now, every Sunday, I plan 3 or 4 easy dinners for the week. Nothing fancy, just things I can cook in 15 to 20 minutes.
Like what?
Like stir-fry vegetables and rice, or a big salad with chicken, or soup with bread. Simple, warm, filling. And because it's planned, I don't waste energy thinking, what should I eat? I just do it.
That's a huge mental relief. And honestly, better food means better sleep too.
Exactly. So if you're listening, maybe this week, try planning 2 dinners in advance. You'll thank yourself when you come home tired.
Okay, that's 3 so far. Let's do a quick recap to help our listeners remember.
Good idea. So the first 3 things that transformed our evenings: 1. No phone right after getting home. 2. A quick reset for your space. 3. Planning easy, healthy dinners.
Simple, right? But so powerful. All right, should we pause here?
Yes, let's take a short break, grab some tea, and we'll be back with number 4, 5, 6, and 7. You don't want to miss these, because honestly, the last one is my favorite.
Same here. See you in part 2.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Grab your tea, settle in, and let's keep going with our 7 things that can truly transform your evenings and help you practice real, slow English.
We hope you're feeling relaxed and ready for the next part. So far, we talked about putting the phone away, resetting your space, and planning easy dinners. Number 4 is something I love because it brings my mind back to me.
What is it?
Number 4 is, I started a tiny evening ritual just for myself.
I love this one. Tell everyone what yours looks like.
It's so simple. After dinner, I make a cup of herbal tea. I sit by my window, or sometimes on the balcony if the weather is nice. I light a small candle. I take 10 minutes, just 10, to sip my tea and do nothing. No phone, no talking, no planning. Just sitting, breathing, and watching the sky get darker.
That's beautiful. So simple, but powerful.
Yes, a ritual doesn't have to be fancy. It's just a small, regular moment that tells your brain, hey, it's time to slow down. For some people, it's a short walk. For others, it's reading 1 page of a book. For you, Ben, what's your ritual?
Mine is music. After I clean up the kitchen, I put on soft jazz or chill guitar music. I lie down on my couch or sometimes stretch a little. I just let my mind wander. No TV, no scrolling, just music and quiet.
See? 2 different rituals, same effect. They help us switch from work mode to rest mode.
Exactly. So if you're listening, maybe tonight you can create your own tiny ritual. Light a candle. Listen to soft music. Sit with a warm drink. 10 minutes, just for you.
Okay, number 5. This one is about the people you live with or talk to in the evening. I started having real conversations instead of just complaining about my day.
Ooh, that's deep. Tell us more.
You know how sometimes you come home tired and you just dump all the stress on your partner, your family, or your roommate? Like, today was so bad. My boss did this, the traffic was awful. And suddenly, the whole evening feels heavy.
Yes, I did that so much before.
So now, when I come home, if something is bothering me, I share it. But then I also ask real questions. What was the best part of your day? What's something you're looking forward to tomorrow? It changes the mood. Instead of ending the day on a negative note, we end it with connection.
I love that. My wife and I started something similar. After dinner, we ask each other, what's one thing you're grateful for today? It sounds cheesy, but it really helps.
So for our listeners, if you live with someone, or if you call a friend in the evening, try this. Don't just complain. Share something real, ask a good question, and listen.
All right, number 6. And this one is so good for your body and your mind. I added a tiny bit of gentle movement before bed.
Oh, yes. This is your thing, Ben. Tell us.
So, I'm not a big gym person at night, but I realized sitting all day at work, then sitting on the couch, was making my body feel stiff and heavy.
I feel that too.
So now, before bed, I spend 5 or 10 minutes doing something gentle. Some nights, it's simple stretches, neck, shoulders, back. Other nights, I do a short yoga video, or I just lie on the floor with my legs up the wall. That's actually amazing for tired feet.
Haha, I do that too. It feels so good.
And you know what? It helps my sleep. I fall asleep faster and wake up less stiff in the morning.
So, you don't need a fancy routine. Even 5 minutes of gentle movement can change how your evening feels.
Exactly. And for our listeners, if you want to follow along, you can even find easy bedtime stretches on YouTube in English. That way, you learn new words and relax your body.
All right, we're at number 7. This one is my favorite because it changed how I see my time at night.
Drum roll, please.
Haha. Number 7 is, I set a gentle bedtime boundary, and I stick to it.
Ooh, the bedtime battle. Tell us more.
Before, I used to stay up way too late. I'd tell myself, 1 more episode, 10 more minutes on my phone, and suddenly it's midnight, or later. Then I'd wake up tired and start the day in a bad mood.
I think everyone listening has done that.
So now, I have a soft boundary. Around 10 p.m., I turn off big lights, switch to a warm lamp, brush my teeth, and get into bed before I feel too awake again.
And you stick to it?
Most nights, yes. Sometimes I still slip, but even then, I don't blame myself. I just try again the next night.
That's the key. It's not about being perfect. It's about building a gentle habit.
So if you're listening, maybe tonight give yourself a soft bedtime too. Not because you should, but because your tomorrow self will thank you.
All right, let's do a quick recap of all 7 things. Ready?
Here we go. 1. No phone when you get home. 2. Reset your space, even just 10 minutes. 3. Plan easy, healthy dinners. 4. Make a tiny ritual just for you. 5. Have real conversations, not just complaints. 6. Add gentle movement for your body. 7. Set a bedtime boundary you can keep.
7 simple things that really transformed our evenings. And hopefully, they help you transform yours too, while you practice real, slow English.
If you enjoyed this, keep listening. We'll share more ideas, more real English, and more calm conversations to help you grow your fluency step by step.
And if you try even one of these tonight, tell us in the comments. Which one will you try first? We love hearing your stories.
All right, friends, thank you for spending your evening with us. We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, take care of your mind, your time, and your English.
Good night, everyone.
Good night.